They are assigned to main cities across the country. They are the backbone to win users. Based on Wecon products, they make in-depth research on applications and offer creative solutions for automation. With great efforts, Wecon FAET have built libraries for automation solutions for all kinds of applications. That's the key to win the competitions. Wecon solution for AC-wide instrumentation has high precision and quick response. Its operation is flexible. Its production is much bigger. This solution is based on Wecon machine vision, LX5V PLC, and VD2 servos. Wecon solution for aluminum profile milling is based on LX5V PLC and VD2 servo drive. This solution can effectively guarantee the safety for personnel and equipment. We devote ourselves into better experience. Always be with you. User satisfaction is our internal pursuit. We make every effort to support customer success. We are interdependent and share a common future.
我们千锤百炼，层层把控，只为您的产品过硬。
我们一丝不苟，谨慎用心，只要您的一个放心。我们专业细致，独具匠心，只愿您做对的事。
Success needs experience and accumulation. Wecon team is growing fast. The core members of them have become the backbone in R&D and other departments. We keep passion. We never stop. We always are here to provide better products and excellent solutions for clients from all over the world.
Precision manufacturing, innovation driven. Wecon empowering the industrial future with intelligent technology, building intelligent manufacturing with reliable quality, precise inventory control, efficient inspection for materials inbound and outbound. Inductive smart material rack is equipped with one-click identification for accurate guidance and fast positioning. Surface mount technology production line integrated with workshop level management system enable full process digital management with high precision. Then temperature zone refill of ensure plastic soldering, automatic optical inspection system checks heat placement and soldering status for stable product quality. Cited how we achieve sufficient BCP inspection. Always covers quality inspection point spots in the point protection.
你手机看一下各个平台看，
CP test based
开了是吧？
test
对，
electrical performance.
手机开了一会儿。
Full automatic control.
Now we start live.
Device provides comprehensive protection. The dust we know self-developed control solution, ensuring stable operation and precise spray. Intelligence provides device sense controls spray for void missing and raw hot production.
Questions?
Yes, 3-1 locking testing device actually release automatic screw.
Are you doing? Are you
Maybe I'm putting the whole production line, preventing defective products on the market. Wecon vacuum scanning system enables one-click market scanning to improve shipping efficiency and insurance. Warehouse management receives finished goods and bound orders, complete and bound, updates data, enterprise resource planning system. After major verifications constructed to process from production to outbound delivery of Wecon products. Relying on full process digital systems and self-developed technical support, Wecon products were sold to more than 120 countries and regions worldwide, delivered reliable services. Price was
记不得这个密码，没事，不是你在群里面问一下，你 YouTube 可以吗？这种可以，你问一下他们会不会行不行？这个群，对，我说这个你行不行？那个我从那个聆听来，
Industry digitalization reaches new heights, always vertical wonderful technology revolution. A combination of automation, informatization, and intellectualization makes manufacturing more efficient, more intelligent, and cleaner. Only when manufacturers make constant adjustments and innovation, they can overcome all obstacles and achieve a sustainable future. With the tens of years of effort, Wecon has eventually transformed from product supply into automation solution supply. With the continuous iteration, Wecon HMI constantly improves the level of automation and intellectualization for your devices. IGHMI enables your devices to connect with the internet easily. Users can monitor the industrial fields in a real-time and effective manner. Combined with a smart gateway, VBUS, and IIoT HMI, VNet can provide manufacturers with all-round equipment and networking service. It can seamlessly communicate and
invite brother.
Mr.
Ratsa,
Mr.
Ratsa,
It is
our oldest distributor, one of the oldest distributor of micronutrients.
production control and
More than this, yeah, and more than distributor. Okay.
Wecon Servo is based on deep
It's used now
understanding
on
of
yes,
business and the difficulties of the application.
it's from before
Wecon Servo
India, India, Southeast Asia. In short,
Wecon frequency inverter
no,
has excellent yield. It is the same and easy to use. Wecon machine vision is featured with intelligent
Good to see you.
identification
How are you?
and fast operation, which makes it a standard in applications such as AC, DC, wiring machine.
Yes, very high regards about Gujarati. Is it so?
Wecon FAET has a solid theoretical foundation, rich experiences, and a great passion. They are assigned to lead cities across the country. They are the backbone to win users. Based on Wecon products, we make in-depth research on applications and offer creative solutions to automation.
And this is his wife is from Kolkata.
With a great effort, Wecon FAET have built libraries
Nobody
for
was here to do
solutions
the first person.
all kinds of applications.
Yeah.
That's the key to win the competition. Wecon solution for AC-wide transmission machine has high precision
Really,
and
the contribution is
its operation is flexible. Its approach is much bigger. This solution is based on Wecon machine vision, LX5V PLC under BD2 servos.
Kolkata and another province.
Wecon solution for element line movement is based on LX5V PLC under BD2 servo drive. This solution can practically guarantee effective personnel and equipment. We devote ourselves into better experience. Always be worthy. User satisfaction is our internal pursuit. We make every effort to support customer success. We are interdependent and share a common future.
Really nice. I never mostly are vegetables.
千锤百炼，层层把控，只为您的产品获利。
我们一丝不苟，谨慎用心。只要你的一个放心，我们专业细致，独具匠心，只愿能对齐。
Such as Wecon team is growing fast. The core members of them have become the backbone in R&D and other departments. We keep passion. We never stop. Always here to provide better products and actually the solution for clients from all over the world.
Precision manufacturing, innovation driven. We got empowering the industrial technology, building intelligent manufacturing. Precise inventory support, special materials. Now, industrial smart material practice, electrification for surface mount technology, integrated workshop level management system, whole process digital precision. And temperatures over almost each inspection system. It's not really that source. Inspection covers all the inspection spots. With BCD test
Now this is about production. Data automatically
device operated adopts Wecon self-developed control solution, ensuring stable operation and precise spraying. Huge intelligence screw lock device chief precise all each screw to avoid missing and raw lock. Free locking testing device which exceed pressure tests for special product traceability system links the whole production line, preventing defective product movement or market. Wecon active scanning system enables one shipping efficiency and edge rapid delivery. Warehouse management system goods and after making the instructed process for relying on full process digital system itself application maybe
Yes, yes. बरोबर. We are going to start this seminar very soon. Meanwhile, we request everyone to enjoy some cup of tea and coffee and some cookies.
The combination of all
And try to start as soon as possible. Due to the rain, we are a little bit late.
intellectually more efficient, more intelligent, and cleaner. Only when manufacturers make a constant adjustment and innovation, they can overcome all obstacles and achieve a sustainable future. With the terms of use of adverts, Wecon has eventually transformed from product supply into innovation solution supply. With the continuous iteration, Wecon HMI constantly improves the level of automation and intellectualization for your devices. IGHMI enables your devices to connect with the internet easily. Users can monitor the industrial fields in a real-time and effective manner. Combined with a smart gateway, VBUS, and IIoT HMI, VNAT can provide manufacturers with all-round equipment networking service. It seamlessly creates communications among equipment, personnel, and managers. Wecon LX6V PLC boasts more reliable and faster design. It is integrated with an APRCAD. It is special for complicated motion control and IIoT solutions. Wecon Servo is based on deep understanding of the pain points and the difficulties of applications. Therefore, Wecon Servo Drive wins high praises from our customers. Wecon frequency inverter has excellent quality. It is safe and easy to use. Wecon machine vision is featured with intelligent identification and fast operation, which makes it a standard in applications such as AC, DC, wiring terminal machine. Wecon FNET has a solid theoretical foundation, rich experiences, and a great passion. They are assigned to main cities across the country. They are the backbone to win users. Based on Wecon products, they make in-depth research on applications and offer creative solutions for automation. With a great effort, Wecon FAET have built libraries for automation solutions for all kinds of applications. That's the key to win the competitions. Wecon solution for AC wiring terminal machine has high precision and quick response. Its operation is flexible. Its production is much bigger. This solution is based on Wecon machine vision, LX5V PLC, and VD2 servos. Wecon solution for aluminum profile middle is based on LX5V PLC and VD2 servo drive. This solution can effectively guarantee the safety for personnel and equipment. We devote ourselves into better experience, always being worthy. User satisfaction is our eternal pursuit. We make every effort to support customer success. We are interdependent and share a common future.
我们千锤百炼，层层把控，只为您的产品过瘾。
我们一丝不苟，谨慎用心，只要您的一个放心。我们专业细致，独具匠心，只愿您做对的事。
Success needs experience and accumulation. Wecon team is growing fast. The core members of them have become the backbone in R&D and other departments. We keep passion. We never stop. We always are here to provide better products and excellent solutions for clients from all over the world.
Precision manufacturing, innovation driven. Wecon empowering the industrial future with intelligent technology, building intelligent manufacturing with reliable quality, precise inventory control, and efficient inspection for material inbound and outbound. Inductive smart material rack is equipped with one-click identification for accurate guidance and fast positioning. Surface mount technology production line integrated with workshop level management system enable full process digital management with high precision. 10 temperature zone flow oven ensures robust and design. Automatic optical inspection system checks PCB placement and soldering status for stable product quality. Cited how he achieves efficient PCB inspection, fully covers 12 the inspection line spots in the inspection wall. With PCB test fixtures and efficiently test electrical performance. The automatic spraying device provides comprehensive protection for PCBs and adopts Wecon self-developed control solution, ensuring stable operation and precise spray. Intelligent school logic achieves precise control of source to the point based on offline level protection lines. 3-in-1 lock testing device sequentially completes automatic screw locking. PC or PC pressure test and breadboard inspection. The product traceability system links the whole production line, preventing defective products from entering the market. Wecon packing scanning system enables one-click barcode scans for shipping efficiency and directly quicker. The warehouse management system receives finished goods in downport, increasing out statements of enterprise resource. After picking and verification is instructed, process from production to outbound delivery and relying on full process digital systems and self-developed tactics over Wecon products, soldier more than 1,000 touch lower region beyond what needs delivering reliable service on local clients.
Industry civilization reaches new heights, always with the one with technology revolution. The combination of automation, informatization, and intellectualization makes manufacturing more efficient, more intelligent, and cleaner. Only when manufacturers make constant adjustments and innovation, they can overcome all obstacles and achieve a sustainable future. With the tens of years of effort, Wecon has eventually transformed from product supply into automation solution supply. With the continuous iteration, Wecon HMI constantly improves the level of automation and intellectualization for your devices. IGHMI enables your devices to connect with internet easily. Users can monitor the industry field in a real-time and effective manner. Combined with a smart gateway, VBUS, and IIoT HMI, VNet can provide manufacturers with all-round equipment and networking service. It seamlessly creates communications among equipment, personnel, and managers. Wecon LX6V PLC boasts more reliable and faster design. It is integrated with the Ethernet. It is special for complicated motion control and IIoT solutions. Wecon Servo is based on deep understanding of the pain points and the difficulties of applications. Therefore, Wecon Servo Drive wins high praises from our customers. Wecon frequency inverter has excellent quality. It is safe and easy to use. Wecon machine vision is featured with intelligent identification and fast operation, which makes it stand out in applications such as AC, DC, wired terminal machine. Wecon FAT has a solid theoretical foundation, rich experiences, and a great passion. They are assigned to main cities across the country. They are the backbone to win users. Based on Wecon products, they make in-depth research on applications and offer creative solutions for automation. With a great effort, Wecon FAT have reviewed libraries automation solutions for all kinds of applications. That is the key to win the competition. Wecon solution for AC wire and terminal machine has high precision and quick response. Its operation is flexible. Its production is much bigger. This solution is based on Wecon machine vision, LX5V PLC, and VDT servers. Wecon solution for aluminum sulfide milling is based on LX5V PLC and VD2 Servo drive. This solution can effectively guarantee the safety for personnel and equipment. We devote ourselves into better experience. Always being with you. User satisfaction is our internal pursuit. We make every effort to support customer success. We are interdependent and share a common future.
我们千锤百炼，层层把控，只为您的产品获利。
我们一丝不苟，谨慎用心，只要您的一个放心。我们专业细致，独具匠心，只愿您做对的事。
Success.
We are going to start this seminar very soon. Meanwhile, kindly enjoy tea and coffee and cookies over there. Thanks for coming.
His experience and accumulation. Wecon Z is growing fast. The core members of them have become the backbone in R&D and other departments. We keep the passion. We never stop. We always are here to provide better products and excellent solutions for clients from all over the world.
Precision manufacturing, innovation driven. Wecon empowering the industrial future with intelligent technology, building intelligent manufacturing through reliable flow. Precise inventory control with efficient inspection for material inbound and outbound. Inductive smart material rack is equipped with one-click light indication for accurate guidance, fast positioning. Surface mount technology and production lines integrated with workshop like management systems, stable full process digital management.
Yes. And there are
inspection systems.
the one you have introduced here, we had tested used debug stuff. Other things are given. Yes, so it's very important. That's why using the user. Like using next time we have a seminar in Bangalore. Yeah. And
Device provides comprehensive protection for PC agents. Adopts Wecon
Okay.
self-developed solution, ensuring stable operation with precise
it's okay for me. Yeah. They are nearby.
intelligent screw lock
Yeah.
devices.
But we make it in winter. Winter. November, December.
Device
Better for you than
see pressure.
maybe within
Inspection.
November.
Product traditional
December. Somebody had another. No, this time this year. Engineer was in 2023. We changed it. 2026.
Management systems, finished goods and bound orders. Please inbound updates data on enterprise resource planning system. After beginning verification is instructed, process for production without recently run processes. And relying on full process digital systems itself develops technical support. On product
It's with size is case
and
and
reach.
yeah, you still put them down. Please. We can all stay in this room.
The combination of automation, informatization, and intellectualization makes manufacturing more efficient, more intelligent, and cleaner. Only manufacturers make constitutional innovation. They can overcome obstacles and achieve sustainable future. With the tens of years of Wecon has eventually transformed from products supply into electric solution supply.
This may be not best for you.
With the continuous iteration, Wecon HMI constantly improves the level of automation and industrialization for your devices. IGHMI enables your devices to connect with the internet easily. Users can monitor the industry feed in a real-time and effective manner. Combined with a smart gateway device and the IIoT HMI, Lena can provide manufacturers with online distribution network insurance. It seamlessly creates communication among the equipment, personnel, and managers. Wecon LX6V PLC boasts more reliable and faster design. It is integrated with the AVCAT. It is special for complicated motion control and IIoT solutions. Wecon Insurance is based on deep understanding of the pain points and the difficulties of application. Therefore, Wecon Servo Drive wins high praise from our customers. Wecon frequency inverter has excellent quality. It is safe, easy to use. Wecon machine vision is featured with intelligent identification and fast operation, which makes it a standout in applications such as AC, DC, wired and terminal machine. Wecon FAUT has a solid theoretical foundation, rich experiences, and a great passion. They are assigned to main cities across the country. They are the backbone to win users. Based on Wecon products, they make interactive research on applications and offer creative solutions for automation. With a great efforts, Wecon FAUT aggregates libraries for automation solutions for all kinds of applications. That are the key to winning the competitions. Wecon solution for AC wiring and terminal machine has high precision and quick response. Its operation is flexible. Its production is much bigger. This solution is based on Wecon machine vision, LX5V PLC, and the VD2 servos. Wecon solution for aluminum profile mode is based on LX5V PLC and VD2 servo tech. This solution manufacturing guarantee the safety for personnel and equipment. We deploy our service to improve much activity. Was being worthy. User satisfaction is our internal pursuit. We make every effort to support customer success. We are interdependent and share a common future.
我们千锤百炼，层层把控，为您的产品做
我们一丝不苟，谨慎用心。只要您的一个放心，我们专业系统，独具匠心，只愿您做对事。
Success means experience and accumulation. Wecon team is growing fast. The core members of them have become the backbone in R&D and R&D projects. We keep passion. We never skip. We always are here to provide better products and excellent solutions for clients from all over the world.
Precision manufacturing, innovation driven. We are empowering the industrial future with intelligent technology, meaning intelligent manufacturing by precise inventory control, efficient inspection of materials, capacity, and combat. Smart materials. This is one application space acquisition, surface mount technology, production liability, bringing the workshop level management system. Consider the process of I know cities government. Inspection fully covers both the inspection blind spots and the potential faults. With PCB test fixtures, we efficiently test electrical components. The full automatic implementation straight into device provides comprehensive protection for PCBs. The doubts we got self-developed control solution, ensuring stable operation and precise spring. Intelligence will learn device achieves precise control of each screw before it is wrong on production levels. Watch on the testing device, but you want complete automatic screw lock. PC pressure test for inspection. Power traceability setting used the whole production line, preventing exception problems to the battery. Any automatic scanning any one click RFID station, improve shipping efficiency and accuracy. Management system is testing that work and will be out. After making verifications instructed, you will not send relying on full process vision systems and substrate integrity. On products results on countries and bring reliable system of clients. It makes manufacturing more efficient. Only one manufacturer make constant adjustments to make sure they can overcome the cycles and achieve a sustainable future. Where the terms of use of efforts, Wecon has eventually transformed from product support into production.
We have demonstrated some products here, so I request everyone to come here to have a look on the product.
Where to continue simulation, Wecon HMI, continental automation and digitalization for your devices. IGHMI enables your devices to connect with the internet. Process and monitor make industry field in a real-time and effective manner. Combined with the smart gateway, VBUX, and IIoT HMI, VNet can provide manufacturers with all-round equipment in other services. It seamlessly creates communications among equipment, personnel, and managers. Wecon LX6 the PLC boasts more reliable and faster design. It is integrated with a feeder counter. It is a special for complicated motion control and IIoT solutions. Wecon Servo is based on deep understanding of pain points and the difficulties of applications. Therefore, Wecon Servo Drive brings high praise among customers. Wecon frequency inverter has excellent support. It is safe and easy to use. Wecon machine vision is featured with intelligent identification and fast operation, which makes it stand out in applications such as AC, DC, wiring, turning machine. Wecon FAT has a solid theoretical foundation, rich experiences, and a great passion. They are facade to main cities across the country. They are the backbone to the users. Based on Wecon products, they make in-depth research on applications and offer corrective solutions for automation. Where those Wecon FAT have been utilized in innovation solutions for the kinds of applications that are the key to win the competitions. Wecon solution for basic wiring and automation has high precision and quick response. Its operation is flexible. Its production is much bigger. This solution is based on Wecon machine vision, LX5V PLC, and the V2 sounds. Wecon solution for aluminum robots is based on LX5V PLC with V2 servo drive. This solution can effectively guarantee the safety of personnel and equipment. Divorce our sons into asset technology. It is been verified. User satisfaction is our internal pursuit. We manage every element to support customer success. We are interdependent and the shape of our future.
千锤百炼，能把控只为人才珍贵。
我们意识不够，谨慎用心。只要您在一个创新，我们专业细致，独具匠心，只愿您做对的事。
Success means experience and accumulation. Wecon team is growing fast. The core members of them have become the backbone in R&D and other technologies. We keep passion. We never stop. We always say here, to grow and actually solution.
Innovation is what size thing for Chinese we're going out to the again smart material with essential surface mount and check energy workshop process. And temperatures often actions is pretty that's the fact. But then some project your adapt to become self-developed insurance, the incorporation of sites maybe example, the challenges we want to change the sites and they all really covers from blocking out production lines. It's great online and it's testing device you need to see the house to
as eventually translated from where the continuous redirection and this circulation force is another dimension that influences RGHM was really about但是你不只是用垃圾来变得这个费用变得很上，而且在这次慢人，他们忘了就会被上升放在方向，还好现在是嘛。这个不来这个你会说是给我们这部分是那个做这个，因为这是后面是因为他们开始好像就不比上，这些人他们忘了。For instance, the email was over long and phosphatism. It is differentiated with its ether. It is structured and to those who control on IIoT. We call the problem is based on deep understanding of the pain functions. Now, if you have any example, we could see that we call the servo block is Wecon is a conversion as such a intelligence. It is a side and it is moving. Is not we probably might from the which makes we say one we go to ownership. And the solar very much is rich experiences with a great passion. We are assigned to in cities across the country, delivering breakfast to end users. One side products. We make exact research on application of also collective solution for pollination. With the white bankers, we can FABC aggregate libraries for automation solutions for all kinds of applications. That's the key to win the competition.
Yeah, requesting everyone to settle down so we can start the presentation as soon as possible. Thanks for coming here to encourage us. Hello.
来有很多人都对我们不开心，这个是熟的情况，他才有。
We'll start this seminar with Ganesh Ratna. Vakatunda Mahakaya Puryakoti Samaprabha Vignam Gurudeva Sarvakari Susupradham. Good evening, Kolkata. কেমন আছি? কেমন আছি? খুব ভালো, খুব ভালো. I know only few words in Bengali, but I really love because there are lots of similarity. I am Gujarati, and there are lots of similarities between Bengal and Gujarat, and now the government is also same. So congratulations to everyone to elect BJP. First of all, I would like to extend my warm welcome and sincere thanks to all of you for taking the time to join us today for this important seminar organized by Wecon India. It is truly a pleasure to see so many respected customers, system integrators, OEM manufacturers, machine builders, consultants, and industry partners gathered here today. On behalf of entire Wecon India team, I welcome you all to this seminar here in Kolkata. Today's event is not just product presentation. It is a platform for knowledge sharing, technology discussion, business networking, and exploring future opportunities together in the field of industrial automation and Industry 4.0. I would like to especially introduce and welcome our colleagues from Wecon Technology China who have joined us for this seminar. We are honored to have Mr. Roy Wu. Mr. Roy is sales manager from Wecon China. Mr. Devin, technical engineer from Wecon China. Thank you. Their presence here reflects the strong commitment of Wecon towards the Indian market, towards supporting our customer with the latest automation technologies, technical expertise, and long-term cooperation. I would like to appreciate and thank our local, my colleague, Mr. Subhankar. I think all of you know him very well. We are here due to his hard efforts. And he is looking after Wecon sales and after sales service and business development activities. Especially thanks also goes to respected distributors. We have very close distributors from Tech Power, so many. I think advanced technology, Raj sir, glad to have them here. Friends, India today is growing rapidly in manufacturing infrastructure, process industries, packaging, textile, pharmaceutical, water treatment, renewable energy, machine automation, and smart factory solutions. With this industrial growth, the demand for reliable, user-friendly, cost-effective, and advanced automation product is increasing every day. At Wecon, our mission is very clear: to provide high-quality automation products with advanced technology, practical features, strong technical support, and competitive pricing, so that industry can improve productivity, efficiency, reliability, and profitability. Over the years, Wecon developed a strong portfolio of products including HMI, human machine interface. Everyone knows. I need not to say the full form. PLCs, servo drives and motors, BFDs, industrial IoT solutions, remote monitoring systems, SCADA connectivity, motion control solutions, industrial communication products. Today, thousands of machine and industrial systems across various countries are operating successfully using Wecon products. In India also, we are receiving excellent response from machine manufacturers, OEMs, panel builders, and automation integrators due to the combination of technology, quality, and affordability. All three things. We started Wecon around 14 years ago. That time it was not known, but right now probably I can say that people recognize Wecon brand very well. During today's seminar, our team will present latest product developments, new technology trends, our company introduction, company infrastructure, some details about the manufacturing process, communication and networking solutions, remote monitoring and IoT concepts, motion and control solutions for modern industries. Our Mr. Devin will also share some technical insights and practical application knowledge, which I believe will be very useful for your projects and future business. We encourage all participants to interact openly during the seminar. We will rather make it more interactive. So we'll get feedback and we can share the knowledge with you, and we can also get the information from your technical needs, product needs, and how we can improvise ourselves as far as product is concerned or support is concerned. Please feel free to ask questions, discuss your application requirements, share your challenges, and explore possibilities with our team. Because ultimately, technology becomes meaningful only when it solves real industrial problems. Without solving the industrial problems, there is no use of technology. At Wecon India, we strongly believe that our success depends on the success of our customers and channel partners. Therefore, we always focus not only selling products, but on building long-term relationships based on trust, technical support, business ethics, commitment, continuous improvement. I know Mr. Rasa more than I think 20 years. We have the relationship over 20 years. And I can proudly say that still our first customer is still there with us. Friends, automation is no longer optional. Today it is essential for competitiveness, energy efficiency, quality improvement, predictive maintenance, and smart manufacturing. Industry 4.0, industrial IoT cloud connectivity, remote diagnostics, and intelligent motion controls are shaping the future of industry worldwide. Wecon is committed to bringing these technologies to India in a practical and affordable way for every level of industry, for small machine builders to large manufacturing plants. I can share. I started my career in 1996 almost. I have experienced more than 30 years. When I used to go to some industry, for example, I'm in Gujarat, so we have some big ceramic industry in Morbi. That time, I used to go there to introduce automation, but nobody was aware. That time, simple indicator is automation for them. But entire things have been changed now. So it's a matter of proud that India is growing now. I sincerely hope that today's seminar will be informative, interactive, and beneficial for all of you. Once again, I thank you all of your valuable presence and support. I also thank our Wecon China team, our local team member, our distributor partners, and all organizers for making this event possible. Let us begin today's seminar with positive energy, open discussion, and a shared vision for growth and innovation. Thank you very much. By the way, I am your host also. So let me invite first our Mr. Roy, who will present you the company introduction, and he will also share some technical aspects of HMIs. He will introduce our product, HMIs, PLCs. Yes, please, Mr. Roy.
Yes, hello everyone. Yes, it's so nice to be here. First, let me open my PowerPoint. Okay. My name is Roy. R-O-Y Roy. Maybe this name is also an Indian name.
No, Bengali name. It is Bengali.
Bengali name. Really? Is it true?
So you are Bengali. You are rather Bengali.
Okay. So I'm Bengali. Yeah. So this is kind of like fortunate for me to be here that I have an Indian name, but I didn't notice in my past 35 years of my life. But it is so honored to be here today. And in the very beginning, I want to ask you one question, and I believe everyone can respond me. But maybe you need to correct me for my question because let me start my question. Apa nga siobay kanong ating? Okay, I saw you guys replying me, right? So let me start my presentation firstly for my company introduction. Yes, so Wecon is here for at least 12 years. We are starting by 2014. It's our first visit here. It is so amazing that in those 12 years we are having a great growing by the contribution of everyone here. And so let me show you a video. Our everlasting bond with Indian friends began in 2014. So in the beginning, Wecon having exhibitions and together with Micon and and our bosses are coming and later on we are having Wecon India office. Then we're having this kind of very big exhibition in India always. Then we are moving forward again that we are having all kinds of the exhibition with our local distributors in each different city. So we are stepping one more forward nowadays. And the next one will be some photos. Those photos are the photos on 2014 that on December. That you can see some Chinese are over there. They are actually my colleague and they are my boss. And Mr. Park also here. At the time, he has a nicer mustache, and hair looks like more. And even my boss are having hair. And those photos are 12 years later. 12 years later, my boss have totally no hair. We are too much hardworking, and we have no hair. And so everybody getting old, but everybody getting growing. So everybody getting growing, which makes India economic growing. So 12 years ago, in 2014, the India GDP is 2.04 trillion US dollars. But in last year, it is close to 4.15 trillion. It is more than doubled by the support, by the
So
contributes.
big claim for India.
So also in 12 years ago, we can see on the top of this photo, 12 years ago, we have only HMI and PLC. Basically HMI. PLC is also new in 2014. But 12 years later, we have all kinds from HMI to PLC for the control, and from the servo and VFD for the drive. And also we have IoT devices for the cloud solutions, for providing industrial 4.0 solutions for all users. And this one becomes one of the Wecon strong points that we can very confidently say Wecon IoT products on automation, industrial IoT products, we are one of the best in the world. We provide best functions and best support with the affordable prices.
Sorry to interrupt you. May I know how many people are aware about the Wecon products? Will you please raise your hand? So,
Thank you.
sir, please give mic here. Yeah, you want to speak something? Yeah, please, sir. Please, sir. No problem, sir. I'm not interrupting session. So, it's
Actually, what we are looking for that we are doing some automations in WTP, water treatment plant.
great, sir. Great.
And we have some 19 OEHs.
I see.
That OEHs have some level sensors,
Okay.
and there is EMFTs on inline and outlines, and
Okay.
the coordination system, and there are hubs that has to be controlled
Right.
from 12 or 14 kilometers
Okay.
of the central station.
Yeah.
So that I'm discussing with Shubro.
Subhaga.
Yeah, I'm discussing with Shubhakar that how to communicate.
Right.
Is that we are using somewhere Phoenix or Siemens,
Okay.
and they are asking for static app.
I see.
So in rural area, the
Okay.
static app is not available.
Okay.
So he is suggesting the VBox.
Great.
But point is that the PXC, I mean the startup people, they are saying that you have to install the static IP. Otherwise, the page has to be redesigned
Okay.
again.
Okay.
Because suppose we have the raw water
Okay.
and it's a 12 kilometer from WT.
I see.
So there is 5 pumps. There are many number of valves, pressure transmitter, EMFTs, temperature scanner on. So all information has to come to this WTP because we are controlling the pumps from WTP, SCADA Central Control. So that is a challenge. That's why we came there. How you are giving the solution.
Great, sir. Great, sir. We will definitely provide such kind of information here. Maybe after seminar also we'll send some data sheet and all, or some application details, so you can explore more about our products. Thank you so much for your review.
Yes, thank you for sharing and your comments and idea. Yes, yes, your demand. We will talk about your demands later.
Sir, we have the solution for you, of course. Yes.
And now here's the Wecon product family. We can see HMI, PLC, VBox for IoT, and Servo and VFD, as well as we have a small product which is industrial switch, a managed switch. Then now I'm going to introduce about new Wecon. Currently, Wecon is a national awarded high-tech company. automation that we are self-developed from the scratch. Like we are software developed, hardware developed, and even we manufacture by ourselves from the SMT line. But still, some components like this enclosure and like touch panel, we are taking from another company. They will assemble, but all the high tech things, all the design things, software, hardware are coming from ourselves only, and we produce and we sell, and we have a lot of partners here from Wecon India and everybody here. And in the end, our company we started since 2006, and currently we have the Wecon Tech Park, which is 30,000 square meters uh, for the area, and we have over 500 employees. And today, before this conference, before this seminar, one of our friends here asked me how many of our team people. I said 500, and he said how many R&D. I said 150, and he asked again how many in production. I said maximum like 50 to 60. I said why your production only 50 to 60? But actually, I was showing why we are only 50 to 60 because we are digital. We are mainly digital factory.
Yeah. So our biggest strength is our R&D.
Yes, our biggest part is our R&D, and we have 40 plus remote offices in northern China, East China, South China, and West China. And also these are including some like Wecon India, Wecon Turkey, Wecon Egypt, as well as like Wecon Vietnam. We have so many partners, so many offices all over the world. We are now selling over 120 countries. And back to R&D, we have R&D people about 150. This is the biggest part of my company. It's about 30%. So, and our investment on R&D in 2024 is about 50 million Chinese yuan. 50 million Chinese yuan is about 12% of my company annual revenue.
Quite significant because the total revenue from total revenue 12% we spend on R&D. So that is the best thing. See, I just interacted with our the founder and MD. You can say Mr. Wong Wei. So I asked before building the factory that why you are doing so much. Like they have the tech different. They hired the different floors on the tech park. Then they built the factory. He told me that I asked him why you have made the factory. You already have very good setup. He told me that although we are spending more than 100 crore in R&D, but sometimes the bigger player requires the bigger infrastructure. They see the infrastructure. They don't see how much money you spend on the R&D. So of course R&D is the biggest trend, but still we need to build a better infrastructure uh, for the customers. Currently BYD is like 100% they are using Wecon. BYD, you might be aware, the largest, now they've taken over the Tesla in EV car manufacturing.
Yes. So this photo is the southern view of my company. That this is our main building. We have now it is great, and we moved in it since last year. Now it's over 1 year we moved in, and I want to introduce my city as well. That my city was located in Fuzhou City, but maybe not everyone noticed about my city. But my city uh, precisely, it is on the opposite side of Taiwan. Opposite side of Taiwan, in the middle of Shanghai and Guangzhou. We are also on the east coast of China, the most economic developing city. But actually, you can see that behind my building there are all mountains. But this is in the city. This is in the city, not rural area. In our cities, 80% they are mountains. 10% is water. Then the rest 10% is the like flat land. They can plant things. So in my city, we come up with so many like businessmen. They are fighting outside China, and nowadays the Thailand, which is Malaysia, which is Indonesia, which is they're all from my city. They're all from my city. So because of no natural resource, because of the very bad environment, so we have to work hard. We have to fight him.
And
And
they have the combination of all three. Like they in the city, समंदर भी है, नदी भी है और पहाड़ भी है, तीनों चीजें हैं. And one interesting thing, because I am in Kolkata, people love fish here. So the seafood of the Puzam is the best, one of the best in the world. And they also, I'm a vegetarian, so I cannot enjoy it. But you people can visit there and you can enjoy seafood a lot because they have a one fish bowl. They serve one dish called fish bowl. It is very much tasty. People say that it is very much nice. So all of you are welcome to our factory. Visit there and enjoy fish bowl.
yes, our seafood is really nice, the best in China. And so here's our the first photo. Here is our backside of our building. We have basically two buildings, one big building, one small building. The small building is for our canteen and our guest house and our gym. And also on the left bottom, this one is our R&D only Sky Garden, because our R&D is very important to my company. They occupy the whole floor, which is very big, and they have a Sky Garden, and we don't have, and I don't have actually. And uh, this on the middle one, this is a night view of my city, and on the right one, this is the photo I take from my window because my uh, my company Wecon Tech Park, we are just nearby our mountain river. This mountain is very beautiful, especially on night. So I have a very good scenery from my window. So I feel very thankful to my company. Yes.
How many people have ever been to China? Anyone? Anyone? No one. So China is really beautiful. I recommend that. आप सब जाइए उधर, बहुत अच्छा है, beautiful. The environment is nice. और लोग भी अच्छे हैं. जो भी जियो पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन की वजह से हमको कुछ मीडिया कुछ अलग देती है, बट whenever you visit, I'm doing business with China since 2006, but मुझे कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ है कि मेरे साथ कुछ गलत हुआ है. So the people are nice. People are really nice. You can experience now. He is there. So आपको बहुत हेल्पफुल भी है वो लोग, मिक्सिंग भी है. थोड़ा लैंग्वेज का प्रॉब्लम है, बट it can be managed. So I recommend everyone, you must visit to China. If you require any kind of help, I am always there to support you to get the visa and all. Because now China government is also वो tit for tat वाला है ना, हम उनको वीजा नहीं देते हैं, तो अभी थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया है. But anyway, we can get the visa. That's why that was the reason थोड़ा strict है, तो they couldn't come since 2018. After 2018, someone has come from Wecon. So please welcome all to factory.
Yes, you guys are all welcome to China. If you need any assist, you can contact Wecon India here, and we will give full support for the invitation letter and everything. Yes, and also so Wecon headquarters. We came here for 7 years because of the COVID, because of the visa cannot be issued. But finally today I'm here. I'm so happy to be here. And back to here, we have a very strong R&D team that it is bringing product research and development center. This is our R&D center. They occupy the whole floor. So the employees are R&D employees are all here. But basically, but actually, we have another R&D office in another city that is our I mean how he helped us to have the Servo product because we hired one very senior person from Texas Instruments that he worked there for many years. He know about the everything about the Servo, about the CPU things. So he help us to develop Servo, but he's not in our city, so we keep in very
So, how they how they recognize the intellectual person and उसको कितना महत्व दिया जाता है? Because he mentioned that the person was working in Texas Instrument and he was expert hands-on on the power electronics and servo. So when they Wecon hired him, so he put one condition that I will not leave my city. I cannot come to Fuzhou because he lived in Xiamen. हम Xiamen बोलते हैं. So Xiamen is just opposite to Taiwan. तो मैंने पूछा कि क्या हुआ फिर, तो बोले कि उनका कंडीशन था कि मैं अपने सिटी में ही रहूंगा और एनीवे Wecon को उसको हायर करना था और वो सम्मान देते हैं जो भी टेक्निकल लोग रहते हैं उसको. तो फिर उन्होंने जो सर्वो का जो R&D सेंटर है वो पूरा शाइनिंग में खोल दिया. नाउ वी हैव मोर देन 25 पीपल ओनली फॉर सर्वो R&D एंड द लोकेशन इज इन शाइनिंग. तो एक बंदे के लिए उन्होंने पूरा R&D सेंटर उधर खोल दिया. तो वो एक व्यक्ति को महत्व देते हैं, उसके स्किल को महत्व देते हैं.
yes.
Thank you.
And this photo is about our exhibition hall. Actually, previously maybe you have seen the video of introduction for our exhibition hall. It is over 800 square meter for exhibition only, and it's very tall, maybe 2 floors more than this. And why we are making this, and it is about we are not only join all kinds of exhibitions, but we are always inviting all friends from in China or internationally. All friends to come here can clearly to know about Wecon products. And here is some photo from Wecon product line. I mean our factory. Here also our factory. Our aging test room. This is for all products. We are having minimum 4 hours of aging test before we packaging and delivery. And here's our ready product warehouse. And now go to the key point. I want to introduce about Wecon factory, how we make our factory.
Precision manufacturing, innovation driven. Wecon empowering the industrial future with intelligent technology, building the scientists next piece. Intelligent manufacturing with reliable, precise inventory.
So first of all, this one is the incoming material labeling and inspection device. As you know, for our product, we are all install and our components and semiconductors on the PCB board. So this always come with this kind of tape that has thousands of the semiconductor components. So we need faster calculation and inspection. So this machine help us to have very good way.
Special material.
See how it is inside and it is calculated 1995 pieces. So each inbound and outbound we will do this kind of operation.
Inductive smart material rack is equipped with one like.
So this one is inductive smart material rack. The beauty of this one is that, for example, our HMI product it requires over 200 components. But after we enter the production code of one single HMI, that it will light up all the components it is required. So for example, 200 it will all light up. Then we pick up in one time, finish. And after it is being used from SMT line, it is going to return. When return, it is also going to light up. But if we return to the wrong place or pick up in the wrong place, it will having alarm. So this helps the efficiency and the quality control very much.
तो फिर मॉडल नंबर डालने से वो लाइट I would elaborate more. तो लाइट LEDs आ जाएगा, जहाँ जो भी कंपोनेंट्स पिक कर रहे हैं वहां पे लाइट आ जाएगा, तो वो पिक करना है. अगर गलती से भी गलत पिक कर लिया आपने तो इट विल गिव यू द अलार्म दैट यू हैव सिलेक्टेड द रॉन्ग वन. So this kind of automation is there.
On this one, we have reduced maybe over 10 employees. That's why maybe we'll answer your question.
Surface mount technology production line integrate.
And nowadays we have this most advanced SMT production line in China. And earlier we have actually currently we have only 2 lines, only produced for Wecon products. Earlier we have 6 lines, but now 2 lines running faster than 6 lines. And the soldering, the quality control, quality inspection, it is a lot better. So we are always renewing our hardware, our factory hardware to make better and better products.
With workshop level management systems enable full process digital management with high precision.
Every single PCB board will have the label, or will have the QR code. This is for soldering and furnace.
Check placement, soldering status for safety product. Oh. Dual-sided IIoT.
And after the product being produced, it always goes to the dual-side AY inspection to check whether this mainboard is soldering well or it is wrong.
Efficient PCB inspection covers quality inspection like box.
So here it gives the results.
PCB
And every PCB board we will make testing, fixture testing.
Full automatic conformal coating spraying device provides
Coating system all developed by Wecon product HMI PLC Servo.
control solution, ensuring stable operation and precise spray.
A lot of machines in our factory actually made by ourselves.
So ये ऐसी बात हो गई कि जो रेस्टोरेंट खुद का है वो खुद अपने ही रेस्टोरेंट में खा रहा है, right? He's not going to other restaurant to eat. So they are so much confident about the product and their skill.
Also, this one is a SCARA machine combined with Wecon CNC controls, CNC system, and as well as our vision system to make the servo products to be screw and correct screw have because of the SCARA vision as well as CNC. It makes very fast.
Screw to avoid issue, cross locking on production lines. 3-in-1 locking testing device.
This is for PLC testing device.
Board inspection. Product traceability simulates the whole production line.
And this one is about the traceability system that every single product it has QR code, but not only outside have one QR code, the mainboard will have QR code, the LCD will have QR code, as well as the, for example, the touch panel will have your QR code. Even the enclosure have QR code. Even the sticker which have been using, it has a badge QR code. So basically, everything in our company now is all about digital and all about it must be traceability. It must have the traceability.
Preventing products from entering the market. We have testing standards and it is one-click marketing and improve shipping efficiency and ensure
This is also a part of the traceability system. And our warehouse now also digital. Everything in digital, scan and go, scan and go. First of all, I want to say that I was very confident to say that Wecon Wiki, I mean this online technical platform, this is the one of the best in the world, and it is must be the best from all China brands. And we pay nearly 8 years of efforts every day from my team that we make everything technical files in English, and we update on our platform every day. Here also videos and FAQs, hardware, wiring, everything is there. And most important thing is this platform help international users to have very good experience about searching Wecon product and how to use it. And it helps you, even helps you to service to your clients. And even some customers, maybe they are not English speaking country. India is not, Indian people always English speaking. But some other countries, they are not English speaking. They can use translation on the browser. It is easy to check. Those are some support messages we deliver to customers, both from India side and from China side, and and also from our distributors all over the world. They are sending links to customers. It's very clear and easy.
India is the highest user of this platform.
Yes, I will show. And nowadays, our based on our wiki platform data, that now we have active users of 52,000 users in the world, and India have 11,000. India have 11,000. So a lot of people from India, they are fascinating of our wiki platform. They are using daily. They use it daily. And we are also making this global area by the support of our global distributors and partners. For example, this is a Thai language. They also Sanskrit, maybe a little bit similar to some of your language here. And this is maybe Turkish and Vietnamese. And now I want to introduce about we call AI chatbot, because now is AI era. All the high tech company we must go to apply for AI. If we fail for that, and we'll fail for everything. So nowadays on this platform, Wecon Wiki platform, we have applied AI chatbot. So in this case, you can ask questions on there. You can reply, and you can continue to ask the second question related to the first one. So you can smartly to reply you. And now this AI chat is totally free, and we are wishing every one of you can use it and comment. You like it or you dislike. If you dislike, and our team will be responsible to check why you dislike, and we're going to improve it. So it's kind of mutual two-side efforts to make this platform.
For AI chat now. No need login. Click chat icon at bottom right to ask questions.
On the bottom right, you can click it and starting to use.
Select the right product to improve answer accuracy.
You can select multiple products, like all of our products, selecting and ask.
Directly use your preferred language to ask questions. The AI chat model supports context-aware conversational interaction.
It is not only replying by words, but also replying by demos
Awaiting your
and
views and
links.
feedback. Come and give it a try. Follow us for more product updates.
Okay, and I think today,
Yes, I need your help. We would like to have some reviews about the factory videos. How do you feel about the Wecon factory today? Sir, please here. Will you please introduce yourself, sir? Sir, any first comment about the video of the factory, sir?
I have seen the factory. It's very impressive, and I'm very much looking forward to visit it. very soon and see what I would like to after one issues that all the major practice are in China or any other country?
China itself.
Within China. Is there any plan to come in India?
Yes, we have some future plans, sir.
Okay.
We have some future plan about making India.
And for
Yes.
India.
Yes.
Yes, India is our most important market, and it is one of the growing driven of the world for the economy.
Sir, Subhankar? Yes. From the backside, someone? Any comment on the video? You know everyone better than me. Anyone, it's okay.
It will be a better idea to actually ask for Mr. Mituda.
Okay, sir. Sir, will you please introduce yourself?
Good evening, everybody. I am doing with Wecon products from since last 5 to 6 years. But today I am delayed due to train delay. Just I came here. So please go ahead. I will talk to you later. Okay.
No, of course, I know him since long. He is a highly technocratic person, and we have also learned a lot of things from him. And he is using our VBox IoT HMIs very well. In fact, he is using all of our products, and we are really grateful that he is the first who started the Wecon automation products in this area. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks. Now let's have the review about the wiki chat. How do you feel? Is it useful to you? Miss, after checking this presentation, maybe here, comfort, yes. Gentlemen, yeah, ma'am. What do you think that is this helpful? This wiki chat and Wecon wiki and AI tools.
Yeah, AI tools I haven't checked,
I see.
but when I was testing with the things, I definitely referred to the helps available on site.
Okay.
And because normally I don't want to talk to people for help. So
Great.
the help was available online and I could solve most of the problems. One case I had to refer to him, otherwise it was fine, really fine. I did not have to talk to somebody.
Yeah.
I could do it online.
Great. Many of our Indian guys, they don't do like what MEMS do. They immediately call us. Now this page is open. What should I do next, like that?
But the problem
Or take the remote.
problem with asking for help from anybody is if your knowledge is limited to his knowledge.
Exactly.
Your help is limited to
One of our clients.
online you get the entire spectrum.
Yes, and we have number of videos there. If there are so many applications and the vertical wise, each of the applications have been demonstrated in all those videos. You can refer them and you can easily use the product. And you come across any problems, you will definitely get the answer from Wecon Wiki. So it is a really helpful platform, and we are spending a lot of money to develop this tool. AI is not that much easy.
Yeah.
So we are developing to support the customer. प्रोडक्ट तो सभी अच्छा होता है, लेकिन काम में आए तो उसका मतलब है, बाकी कोई मतलब नहीं, उसका वैल्यू जीरो। जब काम में आए तो ही वो काम है ना, बाकी तो कोई यूज ही नहीं है। तो प्रोडक्ट अभी मैं बैंगलोर आई थी टू बैंगलोर, तो बैंगलोर में एक कस्टमर के यहाँ विजिट करने गए, तो वी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड ऑल ऑफ आवर प्रोडक्ट। तो इसमें नया क्या, ये तो सभी देते हैं। तो मैंने बोला आपकी बात बहुत सही है, मैं भी वही बोलता हूँ, इसमें कुछ नया नहीं है, बट आपको प्रोडक्ट का सपोर्ट कैसे मिलता है, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। कि प्रोडक्ट यूज कैसे कर सकते हैं, उसका सपोर्ट कैसे मिलता है, हाउ यू गेट द रिस्पॉन्स इन केस ऑफ सम फेलियर। देखो फेलियर तो होता है, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट फेलियर होता है, बट हाउ क्विक support you are getting.
Support is needed stages. One is your engineering.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And second one is for troubleshooting.
Yes, of course.
That should be available for both the states.
Yes, the preliminary support and after sales both are required. You are absolutely right. So मैंने वही बोला उनको कि सपोर्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है, प्रोडक्ट सब सही होते हैं, सब अच्छे ही होते हैं प्रोडक्ट, बट उसका सपोर्ट आपको कैसे मिलता है? This gentleman have are using our products is long. Yes, Damodar process. I know them very personally. I visited their factories many times. Yes. Good evening, everybody, sir.
When problem is coming for Servo station, first any company, other company, first sell.
Sir, we are comfortable with Bengali or Hindi, anything. यहाँ सब अपनी पब्लिक है सर, आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, बंगाली में भी बोल सकते हैं.
ये मेरे को अच्छा लगता है सर. अभी मेरा जो भाई Servo में फॉलो करने से हम लोग कॉल करते हैं ना कंपनी को, वो पहले पूछता है सर आपका क्या प्रॉब्लम है बोलिए सर. बहुत सारा कंपनी क्या पूछता है आपका वारंटी है ये है, इसमें क्या पहले प्रॉब्लम को फोकस करते हैं, उसके बाद उसको सॉल्यूशन तुरंत हम लोग देते हैं सर. तो ये हम लोग का बेस्ट लगता है सर. अभी उसका सर्विस हम लोग 2017 से यूज कर रहे हैं सर. अभी सर्विस में उसका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर, जो है तुरंत सॉल्व कर देते हैं सर. अभी शुरू जी है वो मेरे को तो हर टाइम सपोर्ट करते हैं सर, रात में हो दिन में हो हर टाइम सपोर्ट के लिए रेडी है. और उनका जो सिस्टम सोलह बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. अभी मेरा जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सॉल्व कर देते हैं सर. अभी बाद में मेरा जो टीम है जो राजकुमार सर का प्रोग्राम को देखते हैं सर, अभी उसके ऊपर पूरा छोड़ दिया है. अभी वो सोमकर जी से बात करके पूरा सोल्यूशन ये कर. अभी हम लोग एक प्रोजेक्ट है सर जो हम लोग से दामोदर प्रोसेस प्लांट हम लोग ग्रेन फ्लोस के बनाते हैं सर, बैगिंग मशीन बनाते हैं. हम लोग का जो मेन फोकस है उसका रिपोर्टिंग. मान लीजिए एक प्लांट में कितना मटेरियल इनपुट हो रहा है, कितना आउटपुट हो रहा है, उसमें डेटा मेरे को पूरा चाहिए. उसके लिए कोई डेटा मेरे को मिस नहीं होना चाहिए, ये मेरे को टारगेट है. अभी हम लोग का जो सिस्टम यूज कर रहे हैं वो चल रहा है सर. अभी हम लोग एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट मिला है सर, उसमें डेटा एक भी मिस होना नहीं चाहिए. अभी उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी शुभंकर जी के ऊपर है, वो पूरा देख रहे हैं सर.
Of course, Wecon के ऊपर.
मैं शुभंकर जी जानता है सर, वो मेरा सॉफ्ट सिस्टम देख रहे हैं, आपको जानता है सर. बाकी तो सर मेरा सोल्यूशन यहाँ से हो जा रहा है इंडिया से.
ये लाइव टेस्टिमोनियल हो गए. I
Thank you,
think
sir.
there is no explanation required about our services. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Even I don't understand, but I feel we should give applause to this gentleman.
जो बोले वो मेरी हिंदी में बोल रहा है. Whatever he said is good for us.
Yes, yes.
Good customer feedback.
Yeah, thank you so much. So nowadays we can have a lot of achievements that, for example, here we have some very well-known Chinese brands like BYD or even Foxconn, and some are on automotive industry as well, like bottom here, Sichuan. This one is they providing all kinds of the automotive machines to Volkswagen, to Mercedes-Benz. They are all using Wecon products, and especially BYD nowadays. Since 2 years ago, they are using our HMI for the BYD is growing very fast. They are expanding all over the world, so they need so many battery. They also produce battery, not only car. They produce battery. Their battery production line now is basically use Wecon HMI, Wecon products. We have defeated so many competitors. They are even from Japan. We defeated, and nowadays it's all about Wecon. 1 year, you can imagine 1 year is about 4,000 units or 5,000 units for HMI for BYD only. Yes, and this photo is about that we have a lot of the government people are visiting Wecon now, and they are giving us a lot of suggestions, even a lot of support. Now we are kind of company we are very higher on tax paying. So they have recommended to us how we can continue to have some national award and maybe tax exemption is we have to pay enough tax, then we are able to continue to have the award. Since long, Wecon is doing all the way good, and this is the contributed by all people. And from here is about all about Wecon India, and we are having all kinds of exhibitions from in every year, and a lot of people are coming and support on this kind of seminar. And today is a new milestone for us that we are coming to India, and this is we are planning for 4 cities seminar, and this is the third one. And it means that Wecon is going to focus more on India.
And on this platform, I invite all of you that there is one more good exhibition you might be aware, that is Automation Expo in July at Mumbai. So I invite all of you. We have a big booth there. So I request all of you to come there to see more products and new innovations. Apart from Wecon, there will be so many brands there. So please visit there. Very important exhibition. I think almost all of you might have visited it, in the past. Yeah.
Okay. In the end of this company introduction, I want to share some Wecon vision for India. And I think today is a new milestone, and we return with innovative new products and sincere dedication. Standing alongside every friend present here today, and we strive to boost Made in India and witness. And I think I will be the witness, and Wecon will also be the witness of the great India takeoff. Thank you. And the next, I will continue by introducing HMI products.
Right now, we are selling more than 3,500 HMIs per month in India. Yes. And we are country-wise, we are the top consumer of Wecon products among the world.
Yes, India is our biggest market, definitely.
So, hats off all of you.
For HMI, we have kind of entry and essential line, and also some specialized line products. As you can see here today, we have a waterproof HMI, and actually we have another one which is handheld HMI IH series. This one is not yet being introduced in India yet. It is now we are having a heavy testing in China. And again, the most important part of Wecon nowadays, we have IoT HMI. These are based on 3000 IG series and 8000 IG and 9000 IG series. So the entry type, the IN series HMI and IE series HMI. For those models, basically the economical one, they are starting from 3.5 inch to 10.2 inch. And on the left, the IN series now we have 1071 and 1076. 1071 is for no Ethernet type. 1076 is for Ethernet type. Those two are we special design for India market. Special design for India market because here we require very good products, but come with the people are more likely for economical choices. So we come with this one. But this one maybe when you receive it, you will find there will be no box. Only HMI with bubble to be packed because honestly we are not able to get profit from this model. And 3.5 inch we are having the smallest HMI in the world. 3.5 inch is there, and 4.3 inch, 7 inch, 10 inch they are all economical model. And WP series for waterproof. For waterproof, the beauty thing is it is not only have serial ports, it also have Ethernet port. and it is also optional for 4G or Wi-Fi. So it could be IoT waterproof HMI. But waterproof word to use, some people are asking, for example, maybe in here, West Bengal, having some textile factories, they are imported machine from China will have the waterproof HMI, or it is required to use waterproof because textile some are having some toxinates water, and when the machine stop, when the machine is running, it's all okay, but when the machine stop, you have it is some humidity is going inside, then they will damage the mainboard. Then after the holiday, when you restart the machine, you will find the HMI will be broken. So this is the biggest part of waterproof is on textile. Then the others like some food factories, they are producing food every day, but after after switching or after they finish the work, their work daily, they have to wash their machine and make some cleaning. So in this regards, people can directly use the like water spray to spray on the machine. That this HMI will be no problem at all. And this one also a special one, handheld one, 4.3 inch. And for IG series, currently we have three level products. The 3000 IG series meets most of everyone's requirements. I mean, 80% requirements will be met by 3000 IG series, which is having 7-inch and 10-inch. And it provides most functions that Wecon IoT platform already provided. So it, for example, like the data recording and the VPN function, as well as the central monitoring function, each and everything it is supported. But if it goes to 8000 SE series, it will have a bigger range, bigger flash or bigger RAM for the products. It can store more things, and also it supports some like video display. And 9000 series is for web browser display. Also, it's for 3D
So for example, if you want to play some video on the HMI, for example, some any manual, video manual is there. So you can play on the HMI. This is the best part. So in we supplied this HMI to some operation theater itself. So they play some video about the manual. So this is a great tool, I think, and the browser is also there. You can explore number of things with the help of browsers, and IoT connectivity is always there.
Browser function is widely applied in some
Please feel free to
PMS.
ask anything if you have anything in your mind or if any question is there. Please feel free to ask.
Now I want to ask one question.
Yes.
Do you know what size is the smallest size of Wecon HMI? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. I will give the one who have the correct answer. Sir? Okay, you're so fast. You just press one. Okay,
Sir. Will you please introduce yourself?
I am Pranav Naik. I am from Jharsuguda, Odisha. We are into construction and electrical.
Little bit near.
I am Pranav Naik, and I am from Odisha, Jharsuguda, and we are dealing with plant construction and industrial automation as well. And in last 4 years, we are using HMI, VMO, and the VFD. Recently, we have used all those VFD in many applications also. Until yet, we haven't received any failure from any product.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for feedback. And he is all the way from Orissa. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for encouraging us.
Then I'll come with second question. I hope you guys can raise your hand. And second question is, what is the smallest size for Wecon IoT HMI?
Please raise your hand. Yeah, listen. Yes, correct. Correct. Sir, will you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, that's Wecon Bhattacharya from Jaipur Automation. Actually, I've been very much new with the Wecon products. Like I've been dealing with data and OT and parametric for past 6 to 7 years. But I've been introduced to Wecon for last 1 year only. So it's been very much challenging as well as finding the relative process to do the same work in a modern way or to find some new possibilities with same product like.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks for your words.
Okay, yes, sir, you are right. For the display size for IoT HMI is starting from 4.3 inch, and it has all kinds of options for like Ethernet port, Wi-Fi, and 4G. So it is providing a lot of capability for connecting for the internet. Okay, so even we have another model which is having two Ethernet ports. This one provides for the factory that required for the cybersecurity, the network to be cybersecurity. Okay. So the hardware interface, everybody later you can come over here and check. 7 inch and 10 inch, as well as 15 inch. Some core functions of the remote management, they are multi-device synchronized, like APP, PC, and TV. You can all have the display, and the data upload function. From the HMI, you can upload data to the VNet, so you can do some operation on VNet. And remote debugging function. This is basically a VPN function that the people you can stay in the office. If there's some problem happening on site, you can remote from your office and making a virtual networking to the PLC to the other products. So you can do the VPN path through, then you're doing some modification, doing some online monitoring, and then download the project. And this is very good one to save the cost for the company.
So this web SCADA is absolutely free. So all in one, kind of all in one, you can say all the feature it covers like remote monitoring, debugging, as well as you can upload and download the program. You can have data to the cloud. Even we currently don't take any charge from the customer for the cloud charges. We are not taking. And the best part is the web SCADA. So you can have mini SCADA absolutely free right now.
Okay. And the next one is about we can support so many kinds of different PLC protocols, totally over 200 PLC protocols. But what's more fascinating is now there are a lot of the free tech protocols, which is high-end protocol provided by those big brands. Most HMI brands they are not supporting those free tech protocols, but we can able to do like Siemens free tech, Rockwell Automation free tech, Omron free tech. By the way, Omron is the key reason that we win in BYD factory, that they are all using Omron PLC. In the very beginning, it is very difficult to develop free tech because they have 5,000 tech for each machine. So normal HMI cannot make it, but we can successfully did it by work together with Omron and Kiers, Backup, and as well as Codesys. Even we will have our own Codesys PLC. So many people have used VNet, and actually data upload to cloud is not only one way. One way is going to VNet enjoy all kinds of function of VNet, and the other way it is we support MQTT and we support HTTP API that you can get the data from locally and send it to your self-owned database, your server, your cloud.
So if we have many customers who deal with some government companies, they don't want to send their data to the Wecon cloud. So they can use this platform and they can use MQTT or HTTP API, and they can bypass the Wecon cloud and directly the data will go to their own cloud. third-party server.
Yes. And now what's the Wecon HMI for dual script? This is one fascinating thing that this is very easy for learning for the engineers who are knowing about macro script. It is not like that much difficult like JavaScript or Python. That the learning is very easy. And what's more fascinating is because of AI, now to use AI to help you to make programming by Lua script is very easy. We developed some functions, for example, connecting our data to Google Sheet. We ask AI to help us how to make this script. AI teach us and we apply it and with success. So everybody, maybe you can use AI to make the scripting. And also there's a one function, maybe some people are not aware about device management tool. This device management tool is about some HMI, they are on the internet, some HMI they are on the cloud. So in this way you can use this tool to select the model you want to make the central monitoring, select them, and what will come. I'm sorry. After select them, it is able to you are able to see their screen at together. Even their internet or their cloud, you can see their screen like 4 screen, 6 screen, 8 screen, 9 screen. You can see on your PC all together. And nowadays we are having this PDF reader function, and we are also developing like PDF header and footer, and as well as some like digital signature, especially for some pharmaceutical business. And we are developing a lot of new functions recently, and I hope this kind of like support FDA 21 will be finished in this year. And also some camera functions can be applied. Media player, video player, and this kind of web browser. Actually, the most economical we call Internet HMI. It is able to use this web browser. Web browser. This function provides for HVAC business and, for example, like building automation system. And this 3D file display. Let's see. So this is, for example, we hold this file. This is a factory, and we can have an overview of the factory, and the function will be added like we can add all kinds of the indicators and buttons on this factory. So we have overall review, and we can see where have the alarm. Click and check. Click and check. So this is very useful. And multi-link function, you have the primary station, you have the secondary station. So all operations on secondary station, then the primary station will notice. And also, primary station can do operation to any one secondary station. So this helps the production line having good work, good cooperation work. No need to go far away if this line is very long. So these are my introduction for Wecon HMI. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Roy, for a beautiful presentation. Yes. Do you have any questions about HMI and its features? Anyone? Anyone have any question about? Yes, please. Please. Yeah, Roy, you be there. Yes.
Hello. Myself, Anik Ganguly. I'm from RD Automation. Actually, my question is that can we take the complete backup upload from a HMI? No, not the data upload. I have a suppose I don't have the backup with me currently, and I want to take a backup from the HMI to my PC or laptop.
So if
is it possible?
it is not password protected, then definitely you can take the.
So the editable copy will come, or it is the image file? Editable. You will get the editable.
Yes. If you have the
Even I don't have the original backup, I can take the backup, uploaded backup from the HMI to my PC or laptop, which I can edit also. My question is not modify. Yes. If it's not protected, then you can get to it. Okay.
any review about maybe from this side? I think yes, please.
I am Uniform here from Text and Solutions. My question is, how many page, how many page supported? Is what page or pages? We don't actually we don't have the limitations for the class Scala because Scala space numbers. We just have some limitations for each page, how many objects it has. It's more than
It's asking about the screen limitation.
yeah,
How many
many
screens?
minutes.
How many screens?
Cross scripts
Screen.
notifications for notifications but we have limitation for the whole project size size. It's about 20 how many tracks supported? It's about 20 megabytes. How many access
It is for let's start.
Scala. So how many red text upload to cloud?
Text.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sorry.
But it's for different model. Is the number is different. So maybe you can see more details in a catalog.
You want display, right? Want display text, like for this one detail for one text. I think it's like a converted to total for text. Plus that text, which might actually the tag limitations depends upon the model itself, which either you are using a VBox or an HMI. That will specify what number of tags you can use for building the SCADA. Suppose, for an example, if you are using VBox H-WF, then there will be a 300 real-time monitoring tags. That is the limitation. And within the 300 monitoring tags, you will be able to use something around 100 for historical tags and 200 for alarm tags. But limitation is 300 real-time monitoring tags. But if you want to use that 300 real-time monitoring tags for, say, something around for 10 pages in SCADA, right? So you can use it without any limitations.
Pages of unlimited.
Pages you can use, but tag will be limited.
This is free.
This is free
With VBox.
with VBox. VBox or HMI, whichever you choose.
I am or web browsing. Is there any limitation, user limitation?
So web track. The HMI on the limitation. First we have 5 layers. 5 layers. Each level have 5 100, right? I mean, from remote places, if someone wants to log in
Number of road accounts.
they are limitations. Yes.
No limitations for different. If you use one account, you can log in the same time. No limitations. And if you ask for how many sub accounts you can create, we are 5 levels accounts, and each level is 100 100 accounts sub accounts.
For example, if you have 10 functions,
we have 10,000. 1 to on level 1. 1 to give to level 1 user. 3, 4 give to level 2 user. 5, 6 give to level 3. Like this, have 5 levels.
What type of access you are giving to that?
So suppose say I have a input back now. Take the yes now. Suppose what is it is for now. This how many persons can log in at a time? I don't know how many people can log in. No limitations. No limitations. Yes. If you have an account, you can log in. The question. How many customers with a VNet password access can log in into the same account with that ingredient password at the same time? There is no limitation. It's no limitation. This very up, I use 3, 5, and multiple of these licenses. So what of the say the of what to see. So what I do is that some these officials want to see logging the and want to see how the gravity. That's the position. In that case, I want to say something that we have tried at Kolkata that there can be for the super user account, you can directly access means 5 people can access simultaneously into a single account. Okay. And regarding the role accounts, level of sub accounts, right now there is no limitation as per the company policy. Yes, ma'am, it's free of cost. Even the simulationist tool is also given for it.
Most critical question.
Yes, ma'am. SCADA volume memory efficiency. SCADA volume memory is also dependent on the box or the HMIs. Okay. And also here the limitation is that means how many data tags for how many number of days or the tags you are keeping in the historical tag. Suppose for an example, VBox HWF, the same VBox I'm talking about, has a limitation of something around 60 days or 1 million data tags. Okay, whichever is early. Right.
I really appreciate all these questions because I believe this audience is somewhat very much patient. We have not received such kind of queries from anywhere in the. This is our third seminar in the room, but we have not have the experience of such kind of audience. So hats off all of you. Thank you so much. So that means this is the most active audience. Thank you.
Yes, actually, I think you guys are attracted to our products, so that's why you're asking a lot of questions. We will message everyone later on for the to check the products.
Yeah. Let me invite my another colleague, Mr. David, explains about PLC and IoT products.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining today's seminar. And this is Devin from Wecon, China. So please allow me to continue introduce our PLC products. As you can see here, now our PLC lineup with 3 main categories. The host type PLC like LX 1-way, LX 3-way, LX 5-way, and LX 5S. And for the dispatch class PLC, like we have LX 6-way, LX 6S, and the new series. They have 500 PLCs. And we also have 26 based AC 60 for advanced attention, advanced motion, CFC control, and the robot control. So in these 3 clear generations, each with a massive performance boost. You can see the nice jump in the CPU speed
brown and fresh. Especially for fresh is compared to one way. Now our dispatch PLC has increased about 3,000 times for the program storage. So before we go in, I have quick questions. What do you think of the future of PLC life? Anyone want to share your idea that what do you think about the PLC? How does it the future looks like? Anyone want to raise your hand? I mean for the PLC, how does it looks like, or what do you expect it for PLC in the future? No hardware? Oh, that is far future. Yeah. Anyone?
क्या आप एक्सपेक्ट क्या करना चाहते हैं? मींस कैसा होना चाहिए पीएलसी? About the appearance, about the functionality, about the features. Yeah, please.
Okay, IOS will be always fixed.
Okay.
But PLC can be anything. It might not be a CPU, it might be a computer.
No, I mean, what do we expect? Means आपका panel है control panel. If you have the control panel,
क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म होना चाहिए.
okay, okay,
सीरीज के साथ आपका इसके साथ
great,
आपका
great,
cross
great, great, great.
क्योंकि
Any-
मान लीजिए मैं इससे मैं कोई कॉर्नर दे रहा हूँ, मैं तो बारह सीट कर इसके साथ मैं जो दिया जितना भी आयो कार्ड उसी तरह कंपनी का लगा सकते हैं. That can be also
Yeah. We also have that feature. I mean, the size of the PLC.
Here the voltage we believe this PLC is sacrosanct, right? The way things are going with AI and everything, we don't know.
Okay.
Things will be changed.
Great. Yeah. Please go ahead.
I think all of you are agree it should be smaller and stronger. So smaller means it needs a less space for the capitals to installation. And for stronger, it should support more wide ranges communication protocols, something like OPC8, EastCast, and EastNet is the next IP. So with this future plans, we launched new generations Wecon PLCs, which is LX6 series, A500 series, and the AC60 series. To keep up with the future. This slide lays out all the key interface and the features of our LX6 series PLC and AC 6 PLCs, from the digital display and the Type-C port to EastCat and the Ethernet connection. Okay, I want to interrupt. Goes to A500. This model is the latest model of Wecon that it is A500 series. It has a very tiny body compared to the old PLC earlier, and it has like expansion I/O only 12 millimeter, and so it is sliding like a blade type, and also the I/O is very easy to remove. Yes, this is only 12 millimeter for each I/O. Here have 16 I/Os actually. So also for the terminals of I/O, it is very easy to remove. Then the wiring stuff can easily to wire, and after that put it back. And this model I think is the future. The earlier one is very big, and nowadays the cabinet
All have
so many
push
things.
type connectors.
Yeah, push type connectors. And also this one is much stronger on the like communication speed, stronger on the communication tools. the other protocols and have a lot of interact functions.
And in general, compared to the traditional PLC with the same I/O points, is small. It's 70% smaller. And let's break down so why our new PLCs is better than the old versions. First, new generations support more programming methods, such as SP language. And second, they are full escape support for multi-access control. And third, the program capacity is 10 times bigger than old generations. And finally, they support all latest communication protocols. As I just mentioned, OPC/UA, something like this, making it easier to connect everything in your your factory. And for server control, new PLCs are game changer. The old models near at least 4 wires per server, but with our new diskette PLC, as you can see now, you only need one single network cap. It's net cable.
So you see here, it requires multiple cables to connect for one server only. But over there, only one cable, Ethernet port.
That means the next wiring, fast setup, and the fewer headaches. And for the old generations, PLCs limited by their hardware, they are only support to step up to 4 post server drives. But now, new generations is kept to technology, so you can connect more server drives. And for the moment, the E20 series server is developing. In the futures, you can use this one to connect to ESCAP server. There is some server drive, and in multi asset scenarios, it even allows your customers to replace traditional web-based drives with server systems, with a better performance in a low overall cost.
So some friends earlier came here and you saw a black color server. And this one is P20 server. Actually it is 2 axes. And here has mentioned E20 because E20 is for EtherCAT 1. This one is for push 1. So it's 2 axes in one drive. So for the cost saving, we are trying our best.
When it comes to the communication protocols, new PLCs are indifferently support OPC/UA, so you can easily send the data to your own cloud SCADA. And they also support Ethernet, making integration with robust, straightforward. In that case, our PLC is no longer just a controller; it's also the communication hub for your systems. And beyond hardware, we also significantly improve our software power. And first, ST language to make you to write the same logic with less code. And second, you can customize the function block. You can package to your own functions and reuse them across projects, which saves a lot of time, especially for a standard process.
Now AI is also supporting ST language.
Yeah.
So no need to write the program.
Yeah.
So
now
it's
now,
easy.
now it's the age of AI, so you can use AI tools to improve your control logics, which is LT language doesn't support.
And for the module configurations, our new generation provides the interface, virtual interface. So it's more convenient for you to make the configurations and for the I/O mapping. And finally, let's take out a look for the expansion modules because powerful PLCs also need equally powerful modules to match. Our new generation's module features these three key advantages. The first is for high speed communications, ensuring the real-time data response and the rich module type to meet different applications needs. Plate style designs is quick to installation without additional wires and save the space. And here is the full list of the 6-way AC60 expansion modules. Now we have already have a digital input, output, analog input and output modules, and some temperature communication modules. And for 8500 expansion modules, now for digital and analog input outputs are available. For the temperature module, communication modules are still under active development. And sometimes if you need more I/O or more modules, you can use our ESCAP from Net, Ethernet IP coupler to connect.
This is what I mentioned, that by using the Profinet coupler, you can use our IOs with the CMS or any other PLCs. We have couplers here.
Yes, each coupler can support up to 16 or 32 expansion modules from our LX6 series, allowing you to build a large-scale I/O systems for high flexibility. That's all for PLC parts. Do you have any questions?
एक्टिविटी ऐसी होती है जिसमें थोड़ी सी मेरा इंस्टीट्यूट जो है वो पेज के अंदर रहेगा यूनिटी को थोड़ा बहुत दूर में है तो उसके साथ आईसीटी सेट कर लूंगा या काम हो जाएगा रिमोट रिमोट IoT नहीं है मतलब जो वायर रहेगा विदाउट वायर नहीं है
हाँ बिग बाय But we had kind of solution too. We have means modules and about IO modules.
Okay, so you can use that too also, right? And regarding if you are going for Ethernet connection, right? So for that we have the Profinet means Ethernet couplers. So with that you can also up to 16. That's as well Devin says. तो आप उसमें 16 से 32 I mean 16 और 32 IO modules you can use.
आईओ मॉड्यूल में पैनल से बाहर लगा सकते
PLC पैनल से बाहर लगा सकते हैं आप दूसरा जगह पर इथरनेट केबल लगा के आप बाहर लगा सकते हैं
और इसमें डिवाइस ने कम्युनिकेशन विषय है इसमें
डिवाइस नेट पार्ट
सीसी कम्युनिकेशन डिवाइस कनेक्शन होता है
नो
अवेलेबल नहीं है
Any other questions?
It will take too long. I think now we have to move faster because and we are running short of time. So we'll go for IoT.
Yes, now please let me to introduce the IoT gateway products with Wecon. Since 2016, we launched the first IoT products, PI 8000 series HMI, and then next year in for S series, we bought the first IoT gateway. And for the last 2 years, we continue to upgrade our device and platforms. We launched the IH series reports. And last year, we approved the platforms launched WinNet 2.0. So maybe some customers are not familiar with our WinNet platforms. This is the platform architectures. Wecon and the IG series HMI transmits the data obtained from the PLC's sensors to our VNet platforms. So no matter how many devices there are, you can bring them all to our VNet platform. Using our VNet applications, you can easily to get the untagged operations, device management, remote debugging, and the data connectivity. Let me introduce more details. For the remote debugging, is based on our pass-through functions to allow applications on your PC can be remotely accessed to the on-site device. Upload the project via our reports and IG series HMIs. So in that functions, our engineers don't need to go off can download program without on site and it save times and improve our work efficiency.
This one is also the one I said earlier for IIoT HMI, which support VPN function. Our VBox also support it. Basically, it is going to save your cost, save your time on the remote support by remote supporting way. And this function, it is VBox not only support PLC VPN platform, also VNet support like the HMI to be remote monitoring, remote download the project if it is required.
And with the continuous updates of the platforms, the stability of pass-through functions is also improving. And our VNet platform also provides centralized monitoring capabilities while multi-approach, including map-based visualization, closed device, cloud SCADA, and for data center monitoring, it allows users to access comprehensive device information through single terminals with a single interface. And for the data connectivity, our VBox supports to communicate with more than 200 various PLC brands.
Many friends have used Wecon HMI. Whatever Wecon HMI supported protocols, nowadays VBox also supported. They are the same. Yes, for example, like Siemens, Mitsubishi, or everyone with this VBox supported.
And with Lua script, you can connect our VBox to the third-party platforms via MQTT and HTTP API. And this is our demo account. You can use this website and account password to log in and to have some glance of our platforms. So let me show you now.
We have a show account that is free for everyone. Everybody can just note it down. If you want to see what kind of function that our platform has, you can just go there and check.
After logging in, you can see this overview interface, and for the slide bar, this is device management, user management, remote, large screen monitoring, maintenance, something like this. Some functions is not public yet. We will consider it as a paid features in the future. And we also have the cloud SCADA platform. And you can see this is the that you can create some useful SCADA project to display your project data.
So this page, Cloud SCADA, it contains some kind of really very nice photo. Like you can put a kind of indicator over there. You can do some operation as well as some bar chart was there, some pie chart is there, XY curve is there. So a lot of operations you can do over there for the central monitoring. This is central monitoring is about to combine many devices from different locations or different machines that
to be all in one to see. Then this provide some project or some factory have very good convenience. And nowadays this function is free.
Okay, let's get to our presentations. Next part is our Webox products. So Webox and the IP series HMI are all IoT device acting as data carriers. But they are not just support our Wecon platforms, but also able to send the data to the third-party platform. And our Webox series now have E series, H series, H series, helping you to build your own IoT solutions quickly from scratch. Let me introduce them one by one. Okay, this one is E series. E series basically provide economical choices for users. Some are having 4G available, but this one basically for Internet, but it is not supporting VPN function. Earlier we have spoken many times. Then goes to H series. H series it has better on like serial port. It has 2, and Ethernet port it have totally have 3. One for LAN, one for LAN, one for WAN, 2 for LAN, and it support some models support VPN function and Lua script as well. We goes to RH series. RH series, the biggest difference is about the HDMI port. HDMI port provide a lot of the differences on like you connect to the TV, you connect to the touch display. You can make, even for example your HDMI is not big enough, you can use this one to make the HDMI.
It gives the flexibility about the size of the HMI. You can expand the size of HMI. If you have any touch screen, you can make it as an HMI.
As well as you can do some central monitoring things. And the software is same as the HMI software, so everybody can easily to use. I believe many are using Wecon HMIs. Let's move on. Here's a video.
And this is the videos. If you also provide WS21 a touch mode display. So with connect with HDMI port, USB port, you can make the big screen display and for the touch function.
Meanwhile, we can provide this product. This is also a part of our products. WS21. It is 21 is plus 3. HDMI. It's 21 is plus 3. It is quite economical one. So you may also explore this product.
And the last part is let me introduce some applications. The first is using our Lua script to connection with Google script, Google's script. So now you can use these functions to upload the data to Google Sheet in real time. You can access to Wecon Wiki for details about the script. This is first level for the data upload. And this is IoT HVAC systems.
The video of this how to write the script for this Google Sheet script. So it is there on our platform.
Yeah. Also on our platform, Wecon Wiki, it has telling how to do for this function from the scratch, from the very starting level.
And this is IoT HVAC systems in our Wecon headquarters using Webox and VFD for central monitoring and the data engine
energy measurements. So our headquarters for our all air condition HVAC, it is use our VFD, it is use our HMI, it is use our VBox to do everything in control for energy monitoring. That's all for the VBox and the winners introduce. Do you have any other questions?
No, actually, we will have a question and answer now because we are running short of time. Thank you, Devin, for wonderful session. I think Devin को सीधा इंग्लिश से हमको बेंगोली सिखा देना पड़ेगा. You want to learn Bengali? मुझे लगता है इंग्लिश से ज्यादा डायरेक्ट ही बेंगोली सिखा देंगे. वैसे भी शादी बाकी है उसकी, तो बेंगोली लड़की कोई मिल जाए. Yeah, please.
मान लीजिए एक में PFC नाम है देवर, एक में SCADA in Kolkata. Can you communicate between SCADA and PFC via VBox?
VBox, yes, we can.
It is possible.
Yes, 100%. सर,
How many?
आपके पीछे जो जेंटलमैन बैठे हैं, उन्होंने ऐसे सारे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट किए.
VBox?
Yes, it is possible. 100%, 100%. We have executed a number of projects like this, sir. Thank you. Yes, we are moving to the last session of our seminar. I would like to invite. No need to invite. He is already there. Mr. Subhankar, you are on, Mr. Subhankar. Please give a round of applause. He will describe more about Servo and PFDs.
So I hope everybody knows about our servo systems and VFDs, right? No, no. Okay. So moving on with our servo systems. So in Wecon servo systems, we have some basic models as well as some high-end models. So basically, the VD2F and VD2L servo models we are using for our low means basic applications, and VD2 we have some for high-end applications, including with that applications that require means analog support. Okay, and VD3E that we are talking about is actually a EtherCAT-based servo system. Okay, so and VD5L is a more economical version of VD3E system. So this is the basic selection criteria of VD2 series, determining all the series number at the primary section, where we can have VD2, VD2L, and along with other single axis servo motors. And next is the current output rating, including the voltage ratings, as we have means our servo motors support both single phase and three phase wiring. Okay, and next is our encoder, and the last is the function, means what type of VFDs you are choosing for an application. Either it can be a high speed output or a basic pulse input, right? So the main attraction of this session is the P20 series servo drive, which is a dual axis indication with energy saving efficiency, right? So I hope you can understand means what I am talking about with the dual axis. Okay, so is there any issue with this session? Means understanding the P20 series dual axis. No. Okay. So these are the configurations we have right now for the P20 series servo motors, and this is all the configuration means ports we are having at the P20 series. And the next is the VD2L series, which is our economical model that comes for means 400 watts and 750 watts. Okay. This is the standard for up to this supports up to maximum of 7.5 kilowatts, and it supports the analog input. Means you can scale this VFD from 0 to 10 or minus 10 to 10. Both are available, and it also supports the pulse output. Now moving into hardware. So regarding the classification, what we are having in the Wecon for the hardware section for VD2, which we consider as type A, that goes from 3 ampere to 14 ampere models. For the VD2 type B is 16 ampere and up to 30 amperes, and this is for 3-phase 220 volt AC. And next one is type C, which is above 30 amperes to 50 amperes, and it supports 3-phase 320 volt AC. So VD3 CE series is our Ethercat model. So I hope you all know that what are the advantages of an Ethercat servo. First of all, is the short time delay and the high speed response. These are the main criteria that why we are using it in our high speed applications. Right. And VD5L is our economical series of VD3E. Okay. So in the basic applications where you require both the means reliability, speed, and accuracy, but at a sustainable cost. So we have this VD5L series to cater that kind of applications. So we have another model which is coming very much soon. That is the E20 series. That is equivalent of VD5L, but with 2 axes. So these are the solution we provide with the servos. One is the Modbus support that we go. There is a general purpose solution we offer through a normal PLC. It can be any brand. We are giving it LX3 or 5B series, but it can be any brand. So you can control directly through Modbus also our servos. And if you go with our Ethercat section, that's A500. There you can use our AC60 models also, because that also supports some hard access, right? Okay. So moving to our servo motors. So we have right now 2 series of motor, WT and WV series. Basically, the main attraction of this series is that it is the smallest size available in the market. Right. So, and comparing to other features, it can be it can able to work at a high working temperatures that can be understand to 40 degrees Celsius is the range of the support, and suppose 90 degrees Celsius rise. And this is the selection guide of a motor. So basically, the WT and WT denotes the number of poles of the servo motor. WT stands for 5 pole, or next W is for 4 pole, and flanges we have available up to 180 mm. Next is the inertia. So generally we deal in meter and high inertia. And next is our speed and voltages and encoder types that we are using. Okay. So if you have any question, you can ask. So regarding the software through which we can control our servo is through SC2. Okay. There you will get each and every parameter listed to control our Wecon servo. So this is a general glimpse of what we can use. Okay. So the major question arises for dealing your customers, how you can check which selection of drives we can provide. So that can be accessed through this Wecon web selection. Here you just need to give the parameters and it will select it for you. And these are some of the servo selection parameters. Okay, so moving with the applications, these are some of the applications we have done. One is this LED sorting machine. Here for this LED sorting machine, I want to say something. This LED sorting machine is here's a GIF file. It is running, but actually we can now because this use a high-speed camera to take this video. Actually, it's very high speed. Like we are now sorting and testing one LED by 50 milliseconds. 50 milliseconds. So it means that this servo must be very much steady stop and very quick stop because inside in the here's a rotate round thing. It is very fast moving, and on the right side, it is picking LED and putting inside there. So it is doing a lot of many kinds of the testing and sorting for the LED. So the speed is fast and must be steady. This is the key. This one nowadays in China we are dominating LED sorting machine. Earlier it was Panasonic in this market, but nowadays it is Wecon. Next is the winding machine. These are some of the examples we have already done. Right? Okay. So moving with the VFDs. Oh. So I hope you all know about the VFDs. We generally use it where fan, pumps, motors, everything where motor is required. Okay. So that doesn't require any introduction. Now, what kind of products we provide? So these are the two models, VM and DC. VM is the most economical model, and DC we consider as a means it's a good product. It can be able to control any kind. It can handle applications where it can be where if you require torque or speed application, minor adjustment. Okay. So this is the naming rule for the VC series that I've talked about. So basically these two models come in both single phase and three phase models variants, and VC supports right now up to 37 kilowatt, and VM is up to something around 20 kilowatts. So this is the same thing that I'm talking about. It's an economical and solar cell application for light load applications. So generally this supports some expansions also. This series means you can expand up to something if you require an CAT communication. You just need to add one card. Okay. So these are the models. So regarding this VC series, I just want to share one thing that the other drives which are available in the market compared to this VC series. So the basic advantage of this VC series is that it's a compact size model. So other VFDs require a higher dimension, but we provided a much compact design with a lower dimension. Thinner body, a slim body. And these are the expansion modules we can go with our VC series. So this can support both Profinet and Ethernet CAT communication also with PG encoder support. So these are the basic things that you can extend this means communication keypad. Right. So this is the comparison model. Basically, the VC series is the best in class for the VFDs for our Wecon because this has the higher voltage input as well as with external comes with external keyboard and expansion modules. Right. And you can give DC input, means DC input bus bar voltage, right? For DC injection. So this is all about our VFDs and servo drives.
Yeah, thank you, Subhankar, for explaining our products very well.
Thanks.
And thanks for your knowledge also about this. So I think all of you are now very much agree. But let me have some introduction with our partners here, and of course they will give some feedback about the product. Let me invite Mr. Sanjay from Advanced Technology. Please have a few words. Sir, please come in front. Please come in front. So everyone can see you. Well.
Hi everyone, I'm Sanjay Thakur from Advanced Technology. We are doing this days with Wecon since 2016.
Yeah.
And we are doing various types of project with this product, and product is very good. His team also good. He is at the customer got and Wecon support team also help us. And we tell that the Wecon product are two very.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Mithuda, please come in the front. Say a few words with us about your experience on Wecon.
Good evening. I am using, we are using since 8 to 10 years. And there is no problem as such. And support team is very good. And sometimes we give the number of your support team to our customer. Directly, and I got a mail from your site that there is the problem.
Thank you, sir. So we are moving towards the end of this session. Once again, thank you very much. I am CEO of Wecon India on behalf of Wecon India and the entire Wecon team. Yes. Sorry. One gentleman is there. Mr. Raj Shah. He is my very much my very old friend. We started journey together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's the whole point of coming here. We are mainly into Korean products since last 20 years. One thing I will add, there are many people who sell products, who give support. There are various companies who give very good support. With the kind of integrity that this company has, মানে বাংলাতেই বলবো যে অনেক কোম্পানি আছে বড় বড় কোম্পানি যারা বাইপাস করে যেতে চায় ডাইরেক্ট কাস্টমারের কাছে নিতে চায় 20 বছর ধরে আমরা কিন্তু একটাও শোরুম পাইনি যে ওরা আমাদের বাইপাস করে কোথায় যেতে চাইছে যেটা আছে সেটা বলছে ওনাকে বড় করার ব্যাপার নয় কিন্তু যেটা আছে সেটা বলছে
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. So once again, as a host, I am signing off, CEO of Wecon India, and thank you so much all of you for coming here, sparing your valuable time with us, and thank you for your encouragement. Thank you, sir. We will have a last. The last event is the photograph. We would like to have photo with all of him, a beautiful memory with you. So please come this side so we can have the photo with all of you. Please come this side. Please come this side. Please enjoy the dinner. I'm really sorry that we have to be late.